Are you a commercial property owner? If so, you know how crucial it is to maintain your assets in top condition, including always having a reliable roof. But what happens when wear and tear starts to change that? In this video, we'll address our community's top questions and concerns about commercial roof repairs so you can identify when your roof may need some care and know what to expect if you choose to go for roofing repair services with a reliable company like ours. So, let's begin with the most important question from our community. Why is my roof damaged? Well, that's life. Over time, even the most durable commercial roofs can experience wear and tear due to severe weather conditions like high winds, heavy rain, or hailstorms. That's a normal occurrence. But also, factors like poor installation or a lack of maintenance can damage your roof without you noticing it. Now, let's address another common question. How do I know if my roof needs repairs? As a business or property owner, it's crucial to regularly inspect the condition of your roof. Pay special attention to signs of water intrusion, such as stains or watermarks on the ceiling or walls. These visual inspections are vital and can also uncover damaged or missing roofing materials, excessive wear and tear, and sagging or uneven surfaces. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to call a professional roofing contractor like us. We can assess the extent of the damage and recommend the necessary repairs for your business. If I need to repair my roof, how long will it take? That's a tricky question. The duration of a commercial roof repair depends on various factors, such as the size of your roof, the complexity of the repair, and weather conditions. Minor repairs, like patching small leaks or replacing damaged shingles, may be completed within a day or two, but more extensive repairs may take several days or even weeks. So, do I need to close my business during the roof repair process? That would depend on different factors like the scope of the work, the nature of your business, and the layout of your building. Minor repairs can be easily fixed without any disturbances, but other repairs can cause noise or invasive work that cannot be beneficial for your business. The good news is that we can always schedule disturbing work during off-peak hours to minimize its impact. And finally, how much will it cost me to repair my roof? The cost of commercial roof repair varies depending on the extent of the damage, the type of roofing materials, and labor costs. So, basic repair work might range from $3 to $5 per square foot, while more complex jobs could cost around $20 or even more. In some cases, this cost could represent an important investment, but protecting your roof will ensure the safety and well-being of your clients and employees, and that's priceless. If you want to know more about how to repair your roof, you can check our complete guide with detailed info and useful graphics to help you make the best decision for your business. We'll leave a link in the description box. Or you can always contact us for a free quote with no hard pressure sales, guaranteed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert advice from our team. We're Innovative Roofing.